welcome back. Today in this video we're going to be unboxing this month's Vettsy box. Now this is their monthly mini box that I get and I really like them, and it comes in this cute little pretty pink box, so let's just open it and get straight into it. That is just my phone going. So the first thing I see are some stickers. So we've got these black and pink ones here, and then some black and gold. Very nice. Then we have our little Vettsy thing. Oh, and I see some more stickers. And apparently them two stickers I've just showed you are some special gifts for me, apparently. Okay. So we have another set of stickers here, also in pink and black. They are different. Okay, cool. So there's that one. And then there is this one. Super cute. So it's 4 lots of stickers. So the next thing I see now is a little bag of mixed charms. And from what I can see like some hearts, moons, there's a feather, some bows. So yeah, nice, in like a red and black glitter. Then the next thing I see are just some little round gems. They're pink on the back and then like an aurora pearlescent on top. Okay, the next thing I see is a nail stand with these, they remind me of chess pieces. You have like the little pawns that you get and stuff on the chessboard, and you just put your nails on top of them and you can decorate them. They come in many different styles, so similar to this is like this gold one here. It's just the tops are a bit bigger and they're magnetic. These work the same way. Oh, I'm not showing you this with a cat hair. Cat hairs everywhere. And then you got like ones like these, but they're all roughly the same thing. And as I think you can't have too many of them, especially as I now make press-on nail sets that I sell. Shameless plug here, I'll put all my info down in the description, but I have now started selling press-on nail sets on Etsy, and I've got like 50 different designs up currently at the moment, so please, I would love your support. If you could go check that out, that would be wonderful. So the next thing I see are some sequins, and they are just some flowers in different colours. So it's nice. There's a lot of them there. Ooh, the next thing I see are some more sequiny ones, and they've all got pink stars in. And then we've got like some wheels, pumpkins. I can't make out all of them. Spiders, hearts, eyes, little faces. So yeah, even more sequins. Then the next thing I see are some nail foils. They come in this nice box. Now they all kind of look similar, so we will pull them out and have a look. So that one, the first one, it's just a plain spider's web. Okay. Ooh. And then this one is exactly the same, also a plain spider's web. And this one is spider's web, and it has pumpkins, bats, ghosts and little spiders on. And this one looks the same as the other one. Pumpkin, ghost bats and little spiders on. So then this one is just spiders on a cobweb. Sorry, I'm trying to put them back in the little tub tidy. It's easier said than done. And then this one is the same with, oh, it doesn't want to separate. There we go. Spiders and spider webs. So it looks like we get 3 designs, 2 of each. Now some people may be a bit like, well, there's a box, so why can't there be 6 different designs? As I said, because I've started making press-on nail sets, the fact that I get 2 rolls of each, so just plain spider webs with spiders, and then spider webs with ghosts and stuff on as well, that doesn't bother me. Yeah, I really like that. So the next thing I see are these. Now I've seen these, I've never used them personally. But basically, like when you're doing something on the hand that may be a bit messy, so like you want to, I don't know, ombre, and you get like gel polish on your skin, or I suppose if you do like water marbling or whatever, you can put these on, put them on, you can do your design, and yeah, it stops you from getting the nail polish on the skin. Now there is 1 sheet of 10 of these, and these are not reusable as far as I know. They're not reusable. So yeah, if they could make something like this that was reusable, that would be fantastic, but they're not. But yeah, I'm happy to try them. And the last thing I see are the polishes. So we have these 2 in a pot and then a box, and obviously the gel polish in the box is a cat eye, because when you have a cat eye they always give you a magnet. I've got quite a lot of them, so let's open up the box, and this is what it looks like. Oh, this says it's C made number 5. I believe I've already got this one, so I will go and look, because if I have, I will open that one instead of opening this new one. We have number 8 West Coast, which is like a mustard colour, and then we have 42 Fate, which is like a red chocolatey brown. I was just looking because I thought I already had that colour, but I don't. Have number 40. It's very similar. So yeah, I will just go and swatch these, and then I will be back, guys. Right, guys, so I am back from swatching these colours. This colour, I do already have it here. C made number 5. So I will put that away, and at some point I'll do a giveaway and I'll give that away to someone, save opening up a brand new one, and it's my little number sticker. So yeah, so I've swatched these, and we'll start off with number 42 Fate, which is this nice brown colour here, and I do have a polish quite similar to that, I believe, but very nice. Then the next one we've got is West Coast, number 8. I believe I also have a polish very close in colour to this one. And then we have C Made 05, which is a cat eye. So there is nothing on the back of it, no white or black background. And there we go, you can see it there. Very nice, silver to a purple. Very pretty. Now I just want to go and check, because last month's box we got 2 colours, and I believe they are very similar to these 2 colours that I've got here. So give me a second. Okay, so I've actually found the colours that I got in last month's box. So these are the ones we got in this box. And then these are the ones we got in last month's box. Do you see what I say on how similar they are? Like, it is really, really close. I'm just going to find the swatches for it. I'm just going to have a look because I have a lot of gel polishes. So number 40 must stay. So on the pots they look very, very similar, but you can tell the difference. So this week's, last week's. So here's a swatch of last week's one, which is number 40, must stay. And then this week's one, which is number 42, fate. So they are different and you can tell the difference between them, so that's good. Now, this is what we got this month, number 8 Westcoat. And then this is what we got last month, number 46 bonus. And let's try and find it. Right, I've got it here. So number 46 bonus, that was last month's. And then this month's number 8 West Coast. So again, they are different, but they are quite similar in colours. So that's surprising that they didn't put a little bit more of a distance, that they sent these two last month and then these two this month, so close together in colour, but hey ho. I was just curious about that. That was just me faffing about because, like I said, I was curious. So yeah, that was everything we got in this month's Vettsy box. I'm super excited to try the nail foils out. Yeah, and see if I can come up with a cool little design. And if I do, I will make sure I will film it so I can show you guys. And I will see you all in another video. Also, don't forget to check out my Etsy. I would love for your support. All the information is in the description box below. And